Hi, this is Sarah with Yoga for Classrooms, and I'm so glad you're joining me for another activity. Today, we're going to be doing a standing yoga posture that I think you're going to really love. This one comes from our Yoga for Children yoga card deck, and it is a similar version of it is also in our Yoga for Classrooms activity card deck. But today, the one we're doing comes from this card deck. This card deck is specifically made for all types of environments where you have a little bit more space than you might have in the classroom. So it's great to be used at home, after school programs, in our pre-K and early childhood programs, after school programs, therapy, all sorts of places. It's a really great deck just to be used anywhere that children can do yoga. So today's posture is going to be our tree posture. And we really love this activity because it increases focus due to that balancing aspect. It really helps our students strengthen the stretch because it really takes some muscle and some concentration. And it's just a great activity that can be used, like I said, really in any setting. So if you'll see on the card today, we are going to practice tree posture in a couple of different ways because we want to really emphasize the importance of staying balanced when we do tree posture. Sometimes we start to do it and we jump straight to this posture and then we fall off balance. And that's not nearly as effective as staying where we feel strong and focused and balanced, even if it means practicing till we work up to where our legs a little higher and maybe our arms are released, or as I like to say, we grow our limbs. So we'll go through it today. Thanks for joining me. Go ahead and find that standing mountain posture. So remember, our standing mountain is where our feet are about 2/5 apart. Okay. Notice I do have shoes on. We expect that often when children do our activities, they'll have shoes on. So no need to take those off. So we want our feet to be about 2/5 apart, right underneath our hips. We want our shoulders back, our core strong, our head reaching towards the sky. This is that strong mountain posture. From here, we're going to take a deep breath in. And as we breathe out, we're going to bring our knee just ever so slightly to the right. We're just going to bend it over, or the left, depending on what foot you're using. But we're just going to bend that knee and place our foot just right there on our ankle. So let's try that together. Breathing in. Very nice. Now remember, we want to focus on really maintaining our balance. So we just want to stay right there so that we can maintain that focus and balance. Sometimes it helps to focus in on something in front of you. So I see my card deck right in front of me, and that is a good focus point for me. So maybe find something in your classroom or in your home right now to focus on, and that can help your balance. Notice my arms are still strong, my core is still engaged, my head is reaching towards the sky. Let's take a deep breath there, in through our nose and out. Good. Let's come back to that standing mountain posture. Very nice. Now, this time, if you'd like to try to bring your foot to your calf, you may. But remember, if you start to feel off balance, come back to that foot on the ankle because our goal here is to become strong trees, not trees that fall over. We want to be strong trees. So let's take a deep breath in. Remember, focusing in on something ahead of us that helps us maintain that balance. Good. Strong arms. Now remember, if you feel balanced, you may grow your tree limbs, but you can also stay right here. This is a strong tree too. Breathe in and out. Good. Come back to that standing mountain. All right. You might kind of want to shake that out. Good. From here, you can do 3 different options. You can stay at that ankle. You can go up just a little bit. Just make sure you're not on your knee. or you can try all the way up your thigh. But remember, avoiding that knee because that could hurt our knee. Now, for me, I'm going to stay on my calf because that's where I'm most comfortable. But I'm giving you the choice of ankle, calf, or higher. But remember, what's the goal? To stay balanced. Good. So do whatever you can do to stay balanced. All right, let's take that breath in. Focusing in on our focus point. Now, wherever you are, just trying to maintain that focus, maintain that strength, maintain that balance, growing your limbs with your breath if it feels comfortable. Breathing in and out, and back to that mountain. Great. Now we're going to switch sides and do it on that other side. So whichever leg you lifted last time, we're just going to lift the other leg this time. Starting at our ankle, breathing in. Strong mountain posture, strong arms, strong core. Breathe in and out. Growing those limbs with your breath if it's comfortable. Remember, we have that focus point in front of us. A real balance challenge is to close our eyes, but only do that if you can maintain balance. Remember, our goal is to stay as a strong tree. Let's come back to that foundational mountain posture. Now, remember this time, you may bring your leg to your calf if it's comfortable. Breathing in, maintaining that focus on your focus point. Growing your limbs if you'd like. Closing your eyes if you want a challenge. But really focusing in on staying grounded like a strong tree. Good. Come back to that mountain posture. All right, this will be our final time we go through this. Again, this time you may choose your ankle, your calf, or you may bring your leg all the way up if that is comfortable for you. And if you can, remain really strong, maintain balance, maintain focus. Let's breathe in, choosing what works for our body, no one else's. Growing our limbs if that works for us. Imagining we're a beautiful tree. You can imagine you're any type of tree. Maybe you're an apple tree or an oak tree. I live here in California where there's lots of palm trees. Maybe you're an evergreen. Taking a deep breath in and out. Back to that mountain posture. Very good. I hope you enjoyed that strengthening, focusing posture. Remember, this is our tree posture from our Yoga for Children yoga cards. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Sarah with Yoga for Classrooms, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.